Are you being annoyed by the Remote Access Connection Manager DLL error causing system instability? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic steps to fix your execution path. To start our troubleshooting for Remote Access Connection Manager, you can follow my manual steps or use a utility for a clean environment review. This is the Remote Access Connection Manager. It manages the connectivity for VPNs and dial-up networking. It handles the RasDial and RasHangUp APIs. If this file is missing or the associated service is disabled, users will be unable to connect to any VPN or create new network tunnels, often receiving an error 711 message in the network settings. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. This is a critical Windows system integrity issue. You should run the system file checker by opening Command Prompt as an administrator and executing sfc/scan now, allowing Windows to automatically repair core architecture files like Remote Access Connection Manager DLL. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Remote Access Connection Manager component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. Restarting didn't fix the underlying corruption, so now we'll run a command to repair the Windows component store. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dim/online//cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces a fresh download of official system components to resolve deep-seated corruption that standard local repairs cannot fix. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Warning: Remote Access Connection Manager DLL missing error is often a symptom of a larger issue that a simple manual download will never be able to fully resolve. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. To review professional system maintenance concepts, the diagnostic kit below includes Remote Access Connection Manager documentation. To keep your workstation running with a reliable configuration and ensure Remote Access Connection Manager remains stable, subscribe to our channel and like this video.